Hey folks, Toki here with Random Makers, and now we're going to make a stand and a frog holder for our drinking horn. Alright, so you're going to need your horn, a piece of wood, and if you haven't made one yet, a template. This is just simply you make one successful, and then you just trace it out, put a thinner piece of wood, and use it to make all of your other pieces. If you're all marked out and you decide you didn't want quite as long and you make it a bit shorter for the horn, you cut it out, use wherever you want that works. I'm going to use my jigsaw today. Next, you're going to grab a piece of wire. You're going to wrap it around your horn where you want it to sit in the holder. And then once you have the contour of the outside of the horn of where you want it to be held, you place that on your piece of wood because horns aren't exactly round. And you're going to cut that out. Righto, we're going to do a simple method of drill a hole and then hog it out with a jigsaw. And that'll do. Now you have that sorted, you're going to want to sand it so it doesn't look like a piece of crap. Now, because it's just a plank of wood, you could easily customize this by, I don't know, writing something into it, wood burning it, putting some rune work on it, carving something, whatever you want to do. And then obviously you're going to want to finish this with some kind of finish that you would like. I like to use a stain that is also a finish all in one. It finishes, it clear coats, and it stains, and it's in one step. I don't think I call it lazy, I call it efficient. It's efficient. And haha, there it is. Next, you're either going to make a template or you're going to find your thing full of templates and you're going to go ahead and grab your template. Righto, so I made this one and it is for an adjustable frog. Now, I do want to make it a little longer to fit around this horn because if it's mostly leather cord, that's just going to look silly. Get your leather, get your template, mark it out. Alright, time to cut it out. Edging tool. In. Get the edges wet, get some canvas, and burnish it. Realize you didn't pour water in here, or this water bottle, and it was actually isopropyl alcohol mix. Fix the problem, use just water. It works better. Doesn't evaporate as fast, not as harsh. Righto, next gonna punch some holes in it and cut a strap for it, then stain the whole thing. Next, get yourself some leather dye, a dauber, and go ahead and dye your pieces. You know, once you have the holes in them, that is. And next, you're gonna stitch it together. And just like that, you've made a frog. Woohoo! And just like that, you have a stand and a belt holster for your drinking horn. Skål! And there you have it. Toki with the Random Makers. Have a good one.